think I hear a helicopter.
I got a message. Oh shit! Dude, I just killed 2 people. Holy shit! These dudes are fucking fully geared. Oh my gosh.
How did you kill him?
Fuck if I know, dude, but I need to get the fuck out of here. What are you doing?
A donut.